In this video, we are going to talk about discrete uniform distribution. We'll also learn how to calculate its expectation, its variance, and the moment generating function. Now let's move on to the definition of a discrete uniform distribution. A random variable x is said to have a discrete uniform distribution over the range 1, n if its PMF is probability x is equals to 1 by n, x is equals to 1, 2 till n and 0 elsewhere. It is also called a rectangular distribution. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Consider an experiment where we roll a fair dice. Now let x be the number on dice. Now what is the sample space of x? That is, the possible values of x are x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Right? Now let's calculate the probabilities associated with x. Now probability x is equals to 1 is equals to 1 by 6. Since we have a total number of outcomes as 6, now probability x is equals to 2 is equals to again 1 by 6, since we have a fair dice, which is equals to probability x is equals to 3 is equals to probability x is equals to 4 and probability x is equals to 5 and probability x is equals to 6. Now let's try and plot this on the graph. This is our x-axis, this is our px. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's plot the probabilities on this. Let's say this is 1 by 6. Then we have that our 1 is again 1 by 6, then our 2 is 1 by 6, 3 again 1 by 6, 4 is 1 by 6, 5, 6. All are 1 by 6. Now if you see over here, we draw this particular line. Now if you see over here, this forms a rectangle. This is a rectangle shape. So that is why, because of the nature of this particular graph, it gets its name as a rectangular distribution. Now if you see, the probability, if we generalize this particular thing, then what do we get? Probability x is equals to 1 by n, where x is equals to 1, 2 till 6, which is over here our n is basically the 6. Now let's move on to calculating the expectation and variance of x. Now first let's calculate the expectation of x. Now this is equals to x into probability of x is equals to x and then summation over x. Now this is equals to summation x is equals to 1 till n. This is the range of x. Then our x, then we have probability x is equals to x, that is 1 by n, which is equals to, we take 1 by n out, which is a constant, and summation over x. Now this is equals to, this summation is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 upon n, which is equals to n plus 1 by 2. Now let's calculate the variance of x. So variance of x is given by expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Now we already have expectation of x. Let's first calculate expectation of x square. So expectation of x square is given by summation x is equals to 1 till n into x square into probability x is equals to x, which is equals to 1 by n, taking the probability x is equals to x, a constant out, summation x is equals to 1 till n x square. Now summation of x square is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and then we have n. So this is equals to n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now the variance of x is given by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 square by 4. Now this is equals to, taking n plus 1 out since it is common in both the equations, then we get 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 by 4. Now this is given by n plus 1 into 4 into 2n, that is 8n plus 4 minus 6n minus 6 upon 6 into 4, that is 24. Now this is equals to n plus 1 by 24. 8n minus 6n is 2n minus 2, which is equals to n plus 1 into n minus 1 upon 12. This is our variance of x. Now let's start by calculating the moment generating function, that is MGF, which is given by mxt, which is equals to expectation over e to the power tx. Now this is equals to summation over x, probability x is equals to x into e to the power tx. Now this is equals to summation x is equals to 1 till n, then probability x is equals to 1 by n into e to the power tx. Now this is equals to 1 by n into summation x is equals to 1 till n e to the power tx, which is equals to 1 by n e to the power t plus e to the power 2t plus e to the power 3t till e to the power nt. Now if you see, we have a geometric progression. So a plus ar square plus till arn is equals to a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r for a mod of r greater than 1, since our e is equals to 2.7, that is greater than 1. So we have 1 by n into, now using this particular formula, we get a as e to the power t into 1 minus r as e to the power t n upon 1 minus e to the power t. This is our MGF. Now with this we come to the end of our video. Thank you.